Rong plimplam hi thi adung head along hem konglong so ahir ing tangrak kactong. Karbi Charlie song KSA tumpen perangkia mai kangni. Narong ti KSA ro tumpen karli tang borsing crew apan kachiki modun. Harson timung pen solution air asai hem along petition writer asai arpuka chipalong pon. Beautiful Gate Academy a principal pen kachali bom klitsomar atum phan sang dali hai hui keron pon. Dilai police station ke parlopon angkang jakhong ni phai kep arni adap por phai ner kep ram midi ingko da pho apor malom manja pen dilai adak along rong plimplam ahi thi adung head along hem konglong so ahiring tangrak kachtong Dimapur anat pen kewang pom ihum full resolution attract registration number AS25CC593 abang kevek ke paprap pig ajok ihum L2 registration number AS01 AE8095 apan patong pitsi langdong onat chawar choklo pupai kimi u ajok hem konglong ka tebar la pen ket thap dun an atum same ahiring tangrak ahureng kisupon abang abelang jilai police atum pen stami adim aklong an pale dun si hem konglong apan pajok dun la pen hem konglong ka tebar la pen ket thap dun an atum ham same jilai si kelang hem an pale pon si police atum pen pari deng pon lo. Takhong ni phai kep arni Karbi Charlie song KSA atum pen District Press Club Karbi Anglong asai hem long perangki amai kang nipon labangsu perangki amai along pen alang li tum pen ke pangdak pon mad ke hang pon labang ke Karbi Anglong angkang along luk ke Charlie anat pen papi hoblang labing si la so sai bang prabjin pen sai deng ponang sibusi alang li tum jong pon Karbi Anglong long hini district along an kedu Venture School LP School MA School High School kedu an sami provincialize pon labnang ji lapen Venture College an sami provincialize pon labnang po West Karbi Anglong long stami Science and Commerce College pivek nangji Karbi language along luthan bang atum phan ki tirthip anghoi pipon vek nangpo Karbi Anglong hini district along kedu Karbi medium school aphan stami provincialize pon vek nangji Karbi Anglong autonomous council along kedu ki thi keding atum Karbi Anglong angkang aphan luka charli nat kelang ke pangkhrewi ajok si kedam tang karti tang bongsu sumla rong hang pi stami ke charli aning ge hang pen bang hem kedu dun ajok si apran kedam nang koklo lasi prabjin pen Karbi Anglong autonomous council along kedu ki thiki dinga tumpen education department anat prabjin pen kang thur pon ji phan se alang ni tumpen ki hang pedu pon labang su pherang ke amai along Dipu district committee amai phu Bisnu Phangchu Dipu district committee konchun bang Mohan Taro Dipu district committee office secretary Alex B KSA central committee pen Mohan Taro tum chitong dun.
Today date is on 10 July 2021 the Karbi Student Association is holding press meet to express resentment and condemnation to the Principal Secretary of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and also to the leaders of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for being partial and discriminatory on educational matters. Since education is a social matter and hence having a constructive and productive conversation with all the stakeholders was an utmost necessity to provide better input and mechanism for the overall development of educational sectors in the backward district of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong district. However, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, despite having the executive power in education department, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council have failed to uplift and develop the educational sectors in Karbi Anglong. As we are all aware that after the signing of MOU on 1st April 1995 by KSA, ASDC, DSU, and NCHSF, the power of legislative and executive power is conferred to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. However, it is extremely sad to note that the educational sectors is in dilapidated state in terms of infrastructure and quality of education. Since the legislative and executive power for education is under the purview of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, so we appeal the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to give more importance on education and mere visiting of state education minister will not solve the long-standing problem of education in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong district. So we would like to place the following demands to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for the early implementation for the development of education in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts. Our demands are number one, provincializations of all the lower primary venture schools in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong district. Number two, provincializations of the high school in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong district. Number three, immediate provincialization of all the venture colleges of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong district. Number four, immediate establishment of Science and Commerce College in West Karbi Anglong district. Number five, regularization of Karbi language teachers posts. Number six, immediate regularizations and provincializations of all Karbi medium schools. Number seven, immediate upgradation of Assam University Difu campus into full-fledged university. Number eight, special TET for Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong should be held by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. And lastly, immediate expulsion and transfer of Dr. Nirab Kumar Sarma, principal of Difu Government College, for indulging in corruption and obliterating the congenial educational atmosphere of Difu Government College, the only premier institute of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong district.
Hampang asolong KSYC Finance Secretary Arpu Keklema Bangpu Karlitang Borsingkro alangli akarjong chomreng be kipa dudun longji parab dun longji aphan Karbilu Charlie song KSA narlong ati aru atum pet milur kai panchi chkim wa saideng bond dong mukak pen wai song terang Karbi Longri Abirta.
Narloti adorso KSA branch along pen nilitum pinida kacitong nang lake karlitang borsingkro alang li KSYC long CEC dihin rimbang lase alang li kopai hino jok non labang so thepen chiu tekang bor alang li phan nilitum chomrong so dodun me thak dun me pase nilitum labang so pini chikimo deng kon lo lase alang li ako pai kilang nolo alang li kiklem keme mate alang li KSYC long kachi paduk chit aporsi alang li bangke labang so pirtipen dam juilo lase ning duk lo nilitum ta lase alang li phan chomrong so ke dodun me phanse nilitum chikimolo.
Lakha ingkoi rapon nilip MSC Constable lopon angkang koila meti nawang teron arong Amerika Harson timung pen selunijan ARO asai hem along tokbang mate petition writer arpu kachipalong pont Harson timung alang litangka sky CPP pin pen silamang so tokbang mati petition writer arpu chipalong pon lo Harson timung alang li bihek pen semi toklang lapen luka charlie nat ani hang pik boy fit semi alang li arta ki jum hek apores alang li pajang ridad lo alang li kiplang upu abang phuda kali boy fit semi alang li ni ki hang pen ajok alang li hiljir lapen ka prek lu athui semi alang li tokpon bom lo pi alang li Harson timung pen labang so petition writer arpu kedeng dun long aputhak rat asai claim bang jem phangchu Horen Pangchula pen Karbi Autonomous Council Land and Revenue in Church Matum Pan Kachuru Pajirpon.
Nili akaprik keduk tek tek posi akaprik kereng ji phanavar saita vedelo aposi nili hal sut pen nili mathabo athike petition writer ke claim ji phan avar side longji mal ho nili mathabo lasi lapsono no ho nili mathabo no ho tuning lo pinning lo nili labang so sai phan claim ji pu nili that euro office long tuning rilo ilitum dak silinuzan euro sar phantan nili chingki lo laselang ri tami suhi nang pilo kenongji lasinang nangli kato kabe council pen kato kabe lopuson a order lo bang chewani no kato kabe nang claim pilo la solong mondoratum lepen sk tum kato kabe nang cheratun si niliphan tangka ene pinpen tangka sikai sitana ene niliphan tabang society claim nongji phan lase niliphan lopusonavar side kimi nililong lo lepen nili ningarong piglo lapen apars tamya ko non council ong le rogapi puthot ako ki joy pen sa ko niliphan labang sovar sai ko nililong thu lo tangka sikai si nang ni pinpen en pinpen niliphan labang so petition writer asai ki klong ji phan niliphan ar punang pe kon lo mate nililong pon lo lasi nili ningarong pig lasila kato kebe nang chirap do na bang phu kato kebe fans terminally churopik
Tela petition writer kisipalong je phan bang ke education qualification bang ke langpon pe ma
that isi boring over side pinalo potsi ala order long alulong stamedo athe bang ke qualification bu bang ke top lo lanang ji bu bang ke top te sita me ni lige non ke higher secondary si pass to lo posi nili phan ke qualification pe ke higher secondary pu chalo jong se nili BA pass pu dang te graduate pu si top tai pu tamila tum BA pass nang ji lo puson bang ke ga ve tai
tela bang so petition writer anang le arpu sai long lo posi men tu belo nang le labang so pangcheng ji ka
labang so petition writer sai order bang nili chiwani ket lo la pen nili joining report nili yaro phan chipi nang ji chipi nang lang la si yaro phan chetong ji pusini mathala okay chetong det pen joining report chipi det pen a philo pro dang te nili dak sai bang chington ki fit po kamatha ke non ke bang ji urmi ani long pen cheng dun ji join dun ji pulo sita me non joining report bang chipi long la
nang le ke charli ke ington ko ma man te nang le tun bom nang ma ba charli bom ma
nili ke charli bang ke charli bom la non degree kato ko yang course bang ke judi club lo non basic subject si dola
te nang le metric pass ko so school bang nang le metric pass
nili metric pass ke nili tum koilamati Presbyterian Mission School along pensilili pass lo ke bang ding la pen first time higher secondary bang ke Diupani Junior College along pensilili pass lo la pen non biang ding Charlie bang ke Eastern Karbi Longri College along pensil Charlie lo
nang le metric pass hot kon percentage ben sing pass
nili metric pass hot ke nili percentage ke 63% la pen geography ipat bang ke honors one
la pen la nang le logo charli khorcha mate la puthak ke kitab buhi pen cheng lo ke nang an peri uniform pen cheng lo kapre ke nang an bang ke nang li mithang se chiri bom ma man te nang li hem tum si la puson nang ri pi bom ma puso berta nang i thai ma
kalang lo logo Charlie bang ke jongsi e phan is
non corona abur kangdang pluk ajok asam sarkar atung pensami asam angkang phia phan mini lockdown phatpon dat lo laso mini lockdown phatpon det ajok ki dukdet arala tum phan ki chumu we pen penang an sungpon nang lo lason apor hutsi manja pen ke hiluk libitar thom an baksi dolo beautiful gate academy a principal Ramaso A Simrai bang trokep susi school sali bom usumara tum phat sang han dali hui keron pon labangso kiron ke bakpon along sami luthan bang atum yamla A Simrai Samson Ingti Jirhon Teront Lapen Simla Tamang Atumta Chirap Chitudum